Allows multiple cables to be attached to one locking point. Stainless steel locking body. Braided steel cable. Integrated cable and key storage for when not in use. Master lock spare cable for integrated cable and lock features a collection of new products that have been designed to secure valuable tools and cargo in the bed of a pickup or job site. The Master Lock 8256 DAT has a spare cable for integrated cable lock. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. This a great addition to the Master Lock 8255 DAT cable and lock. Fits the lock well. Keep in mind you need the lock for this spare cable to be used.